Good morning, everyone. Myself, Madhu Kushwaha, Assistant Professor in Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy. The subject name is Pharmacology Second. The code is BP503T, Unit 4. The topic name is Growth Hormone. Now we will discuss growth hormone. The growth hormone is secreted by anterior pituitary gland. The anterior pituitary is the master endocrine gland. A number of important regulatory hormones and all in peptide in nature. Each anterior pituitary hormone is produced by a separate group of cells which according to their staining characteristic are either acidophilic or basophilic. The growth hormone are released by somatotropes cells present in anterior pituitary gland. It is secreted by somatotrophs cells which contain 191 amino acids. Single chain peptide have molecular weight about 22,000. Secretion of growth hormone is more in newborn, which subsequently decreases at age 4 years. That level is maintained until after puberty, after which further decreases. Then regulation of secretion. The regulation is secretion is controlled by the hypothalamus, and there are negative feedback mechanism is going on. The hypothalamus releases growth hormone releasing hormone which transfer through vein in anterior pituitary gland, stimulates and adenohypophysis pars distalis, stimulate their cells. Somatotropes releases growth hormone. Then these growth hormone also act on liver, release IGF first, insulin growth factor first. Then these insulin growth factor first also act on growth of peripheral tissue and responsible for growth of peripheral tissues. Uh, then after that we need another hormone for stop it when its needs are complete. The hypothalamus releases GHIR growth hormone in inhibiting hormone somatostatin. Then somatostatin also act on growth hormone for stop it. Then no more growth hormone are releases. Physiological role. The main effect of growth hormone to promote growth by inducing hyperplasia. Growth hormone promotes growth of bones and all other organs by inducing hyperplasia. There is a proportionate increase in the size and mass of all part. But growth hormone is not responsible for growth of brain and eyes. Growth hormone promotes utilization of fat and spares of carbohydrate. Uptake of glucose by muscles is reduces while its output from liver is enhanced. Fat is broken down. Induce lipolysis in adipose tissues. This is the physiological role of the growth hormone. Pathological role. The deficiency of growth hormone releasing hormone, resulting in deficiency in growth hormone, the pituitary dwarfism. Growth hormone used in treatment of Turner syndrome, chromosomal disorder. When growth hormone is deficient, the growth is not proper. When excessive production of growth hormone resulting in gigantism in children and acromegaly in adult. In adult, begin pituitary tumor resulting excessive production of growth hormone causes enlargement of facial structures and of the hand and feet. There are two pictures. First is pituitary dwarfism and second one is the gigantism in children and acromegaly in adult. Preparations and dosing. Uh, for the treatment of pituitary dwarfism, 0.03 to 0.06 mg per kg daily in the evening or on alternate days up to the age of 20 years or more. Pegvisomant, a modified hormone prepared by a recombinant technology, selective antagonist of growth. Adverse drug reaction. Uh, Allergic reaction, pain at injection site, hypothyroidism, salt and water retention, lipodystrophy. Abnormal means abnormal distribution of fat in the body. These all are the adverse reaction of growth hormone. Growth hormone inhibitors. The name of drugs and main point of the drugs. Somatostatin, it is 14 amino acid peptide, inhibits secretion of growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone and prolactin. Somatostatin is also inhibit growth hormone and also thyroid stimulating hormone and prolactin. Octreotide, this synthetic octopeptide somatostatin is 40 times more potent in suppressing growth secretion and longer acting. This drug is more important. Pegvisomant, this is polyethylene complex growth hormone, bind to growth hormone receptor and prevent action of growth hormone by antagonizing the receptor. Pegvisomant is antagonizing the receptor. That's why growth hormone is not bind to the receptor. Okay, thank you.